Welcome back to our reviews, guys. Today we are going to be reviewing this Lightning data cable, and this is actually a Type C to Lightning cable. So this is for very specific devices like the MacBook only, just the MacBook. And this connects obviously to your phone or any device really that has a Lightning port that it requires, like an Apple Pencil or an iPad, iPhone, iPod. I think iPods are really outdated. There you go. The wire seems to be firm and rigid, so I don't think if it's going to be breaking. It's definitely got that clothy material onto it.
And that is all for the review, guys. This pretty much is a decent cable for a decent price, and looking at the cable itself, I don't think that it can break anytime soon, given that both heads of the end ports are made out of metal, and also the middle sector is actually fully braided nylon wiring.